Hello. Today we'll discuss one eRoom topic, that is dashboard. Dashboard is, the topic name itself is use dashboard and stay abreast. That means by using dashboard you will keep yourself updated with the project related information. Let's see what a dashboard is, and let's see what kind of benefit you can get from dashboard, and different assumptions while using the dashboard. We have a dashboard, may be an item that can be created from the eRoom homepage, or it may be a built-in dashboard that comes along with the eRoom my room page. Dashboard presents a summary. It presents a summary from either of the items like database, or like a project plan, or like calendars. It will summarize a row of data from any of the items that you select. The item may be, as I said, a database, or maybe instances of an enterprise database. So the built-in dashboard that comes in a tabbed manner in your My eRoom's homepage. Now let's see what are the different benefits you can obtain from using a dashboard. As the name itself suggests, it's a snapshot, or it's a representation of the summary of what is happening on the website. Like if you select a project plan to be displayed, the summary of the project plan will be displayed on your dashboard. So you will be staying updated with the project related information, like when the project is starting, what is its end date, how much of the project has been completed. Then in the dashboard page you will find the navigation links. Using those links you can directly go to the item. That means it will directly link to either the project plan or database, whatever you have chosen. You can click on the link and directly go there. When the dashboard is of item type, you can export the dashboard and into a CSV format and use it for looking at the data at a later point of time. You can print the data that is present in the dashboard. This also comes with your dashboard, which is item type dashboard. Then if you use the dashboard, what happens is when you start your day, and you do not need to go to individual eRooms to track down what's happening in your project. You just click on the dashboard tab and have a look at what's the progress in different projects. What's happening to your project plan that you have designed. So no need to go to individual eRooms and check it. So at one page, you get a snapshot or summary of all the data or all the projects that you are monitoring. And so obviously you save lots of time. And there are lots of assumptions. That the data source may be a project plan, a database, or instances of enterprise database, or your calendar, and the dashboard should be in the same facility. And in case you copy and paste either of the dashboard or the data source to a different facility or the same facility, it may impact your links from the dashboard to the data source. So you must know the impact of how it is going to be changed when you are moving or copying and pasting, or cutting and pasting into a different facility. So this is all about the dashboard. So concluding the session, I can say that dashboard is a kind of tool. I can say it's a tool. Yes, it's a kind of tool that summarizes data from project plans, from databases, from instances of enterprise databases, as well as from calendars, and helps you save lots of time. Thank you very much.